So hey guys, once again welcome to my channel Modern Tech. Today I am going to do the unboxing of our very own Alexa Echo Dot 3rd generation. So let's see and enjoy the video. So guys, here is the box of Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. So first of all, take a look at the box, what specs given on the box. So here is just written that this is Echo Dot, and here is a few skills performed by this Echo Dot. So first of all, there is a Amazon Prime Music, and then JioSaavn and the Hue personal wireless lighting. You can use this wireless lighting to control your lights of your smart home, and also support Epson Cricinfo, and you can also hear news on channel Aastak on this device, and you can also book Ola cab on this device. And there is one more channel, that is Amar Chitrkatha is also enabled on this, and you can also order food from Zomato and so more, and many more skills are there. And there is what's included in the box. So there is one Echo Dot and one power adapter. So let's take a look from here. So here is that you can add Alexa to any room. Here is few information given about the Alexa, and here is the price. They are given around 4,499, but it's not an actual price. Its actual price is about 3,500. I will give the link in the description box. You can go there and see the price. If you want, you can buy it. So here is also supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and here is also audio line out to connect the off speaker or Bluetooth speaker to this Echo Dot. So let's take a look inside content. So I will open the box first. So here is the card which is written Echo Dot. Let's see what is this. So here is the basic information regarding this Echo Dot. First, this getting to know your Echo Dot. It is just a description about the buttons and the aux port and the power port. And here you like this, you can plug this Echo Dot and wait for Alexa to say hello, and then you just need to download the app to access this Echo Dot from your phone. And here is you also connected one more speaker with this Echo Dot. If you are using aux speaker, you need minimum 15 cm of aux cable to connect this with Echo Dot. And if you are using Bluetooth, you need to put your Bluetooth device along 1 meter radius. So this is it. Now take a look at the next paper. So this is basically instructions or limited warranty and the recycling your device. This is some information in different languages given on this book. And here is one more card. There are the few statements to try on this Echo Dot. So there is the statement on music and radio, news information, calling and messaging, alarms, timers, reminders, endless, and question answer, shopping, smart home. Use this anytime. You just need to join your Amazon account with this. So you can also shop from this, and you can add item to your cart. So here is the device, guys. So let's take it out. It is under a wrap. Let's take out from the wrap. So here we go. So here's the wrap. So I have opened the wrap. I think it's got a stick. Here is this. It's looking nice as the previous Echo Dot. It is much better than that. I will show you later how it works. So first take a look at inside the box to the power adapter. So here is the power adapter. So this is 15 watt power adapter. You just connect this adapter is used to connect this Echo Dot, nothing else. So connect this adapter to the power strip and we see how it works. So guys, I have connected the power adapter to the power strip, and then now connect this Echo Dot with this. So I have connected the power adapter to the Echo Dot. Now it started working. You can see that it take a little bit time to connect to your hotspot. While that we look at the paper. Here is given the good location to connect your Echo Dot. Echo Dot works best placed in the central location, at least 20 centimeters from any wall. You can put Echo Dot in a variety of places, on a kitchen counter, and the end of a table of your living room, or beside the table. And just if you want to give attention to your Echo Dot, just simply say Alexa. So here is this, and now we are going to try few statements on this Echo Dot. So guys, while it's connecting, I will tell you about the buttons, these buttons. So this button is just used to increase the volume, and this negative is for just to decrease the volume, and this button is just to close its ear. Just click on this. Now it's not able to hear you, so if you want to use that, you can use. It's shows the red light when you click on this button, and this is just to stop, means just wants to stop physically this Amazon Echo Dot. You just click on that, and if you hold for 6 seconds or 8 seconds, it goes in setup mode, and if it's to give red light, it means it's not connected. So I will just check the hotspot is on or not. I will show you in the few seconds while it's connected. So guys, device is already connected. If you want to set up with this, I have already set up the device with my phone. If you want to set up, you just need to click this button, pointed button, and the setup starts. Hold it for 6 seconds, and then the setup
now in
starts.
setup mode.
Now setup mode
Follow the
starts.
instructions in your Alexa app.
And just you need to follow the instruction to connect your hotspot with this device. And if this light is blinking yellow color, it means there is some notifications comes to your phone or your Amazon account. So it's starts blinking yellow color, and if it starts blinking blue color, it means it is already connected. And if it shows white color, it means you are setting up the volume. So let's see. So guys, if you want to connect your Echo Dot with your phone, or you want to access your Echo Dot from your mobile phone, you just need to download the Alexa app from Play Store or Apple Store. I will give the link in the description box from where you can download the app. So here we are going to just try few statements on this Echo Dot, see how it's working. So just to give attention, you just simply say to Alexa, are you connected?
I am connected to the internet.
So I am going to try some statements on this. Alexa, play 90s Bollywood music.
Bollywood hits 1992 from Hungama Music.
You can see that it's starting playing the music, and for stopping this you just need to say stop. Alexa, stop. Now here you can see that it stops. Now it will stop. Let's try a few more statements. You can call or messaging, but you need to just connect to your Alexa app first, then you can call and write messages to someone. So you can also set alarms and timers and reminders, and you can also get the news and information. Alexa, what's trending?
Here are a few interesting stories. For all the big headlines, ask, what happened this week? What's better than a hot cuppa in the morning? Talking to me. Start your day by saying good morning.
So here you can
And
see
for
that
all the
it gives the information.
headlines,
Alexa,
ask,
give me the sports update.
here's your sports update. In cricket, this past Tuesday, Australia beat India by 10 wickets in an ODI match.
So here is the
Australia won the
giving
toss
the
and decided to bowl
score
first. India
in
were
cricket.
bowled out for 255.
Alexa, stop. Now it stops. Here is a few questions you can also ask. Alexa, how's the weather?
Currently, in Lucknow it's 14 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect showers with a high of 16 degrees and a low of 12 degrees. Would you like to know the weather for this weekend?
No. Alexa, what is the speed of light?
The exact speed of light in vacuum is 29.97 at 92,458 meters per second, approximately 3 lakh kilometers per second or 1,86,282 miles per second.
So here you can see that the general question answered by this Alexa, and you can also order any product from this. You just need to say, you can see that order this and order that, and you can also track your order. So you can also control your smart home light after connecting your light with this. You just need to say, turn off the light, turn on the light. I have connected the light, so let's take a look. Alexa, turn off the light.
Okay.
So here we can see that the light is turned off. Alexa, turn on the light. Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
So here you can see that, and here is a few more statement. Tell me, Joe, what are skills? You can also adjust volume. Was just you need to say, Alexa, volume 5. Alexa, volume 5. So you can adjust this, and you also get recipes and something more. And here also you can set your schedule according to your routines, and you can also dim the light, living room lights, and here is so more things you can order. Alexa, what's the update? Alexa, what's the update?
Here's your news.
If you
From
want to hear
NDTV
news,
News,
you can.
latest news.
So here you can hear the news. So this is that. So here is that. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.